Today we have the 32-piece assorted faux styrofoam Easter eggs. These Easter eggs are speckled. They're speckled. See the specks? They come in 8 colors. They come in pink, white, orange, yellow, sky blue, aquamarine, and lilac. They are made of styrofoam. They are squishy, not too heavy at all. They do not come in this basket. I just placed them in this basket for display purposes. They are in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. The small, the large, and here is the medium. They definitely complement any springtime or Easter home decor. You can easily place these in a jar, on a tablescape, or in a basket. The interesting thing that I find is you can even use these on a wreath. They do have a little hole in the bottom, so you can easily use these in your crafting to make an Easter or a spring wreath for a table or a door, since they do have these holes on the bottom already put into them. But these 32-piece assorted faux Easter egg pastel styrofoam, they are definitely a good find to add to any spring decor.